Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while for a video and I wanted to share this quick tip I just read on the Fuji Weekly website. As you know, if you follow the channel, I love that website for the recipes, but also they've been sharing some tips and tricks, mostly from the new, not a podcast, but a new video kind of interview series they're doing on YouTube. I will link to that series below. They're just hitting, I think, the second or third episode, and I'll link to them below. And in the last one, what they do is they share some recipes, but there's also some neat little nuggets and tips on this. And if you're like me, you probably have your Fuji camera loaded with film simulations all the time, trying different ones just to see what you like. Now, a lot of them you'll know exactly what you're shooting if you're shooting, for example, Kodachrome. It's kind of unmistakable, but there is a lot of the recipes that kind of look a little similar, and they're sometimes a little bit hard to tell or remember especially if you're shooting out for the day to try a few different recipes on your camera. And the pictures, this would be a nice feature for Fuji to add, would be as if you name your presets. It would be nice if that could get kind of embedded in the metadata of the images and the JPEGs. It doesn't, unfortunately. So this tip that was shared on the last video podcast was how to remember what recipe you are using. So what they recommend is, if you've downloaded the Fuji Weekly, the recipe app, is pull that up on your phone, get it to the recipe that you're going to be using and shooting on your camera. Take a picture of your phone with the recipe, and then from then on, your photos up until you change the recipe and shoot it again. You have to remember to do this if you're changing recipes, will be that film simulation. So it makes it easier when you're reviewing photos. You'll see that photo pop up. You'll know exactly what recipe you are using. Hopefully you like that tip for the video. Thanks so much to Fuji Weekly for sharing it. Keep up with the video podcasts. They're really enjoyable. I try to come on live when I can. If you haven't checked it out, they have all of the back episodes on their YouTube channel. Again, I will link it below. Thanks for watching, everybody. A quick one today. We're gonna get out now and take some more pictures. You're gonna see some new things on the channel and some new locations. That's a little bit of a kind of a hint of why I have been missing for the last little bit. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.